Kate.
She has the jacket that looks like the Granny jacket.
Good morning. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jen Restyle Fashion, and over here we upcycle, we thrift, we sew, we shop, and we style our way to a wardrobe of our dreams so that we never have to look at our closets and think, I have nothing to wear, because you absolutely do. I absolutely do. We absolutely do. All right, you guys, it is about 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m., and I am getting ready to go catch my flight from Chicago to LA. We are headed to LA for a YouTube event. Yeah, and to see my family. So those of you who are new here, most of my family lives in LA, and I live in Chicago, but you know, I get to go out there quite a bit. I am wearing this butterfly sweatshirt from Revolve and these sweatpants that I didn't realize matched from Boohoo. Got my water bottle, Peloton, and I'm going to throw on my Sorels, and we're going to head to the airport. See you when we get there. We made it to LA here at the airport. My stepmom is on her way to pick me up, and she's going to drop me off at the Google headquarters, and then we're going to go to the YouTube event. I still have to put on some lipstick. Did my makeup in the bathroom. It doesn't look great, but I did it really, really fast because I'm actually supposed to be there like right now. Check-in is between 9:30 and 10:30, and it is 9:30. So that's that. The flight was a little late getting in, but it was a good flight. I slept most of the flight. My headache is finally gone. I didn't share this earlier, but I've had a headache for 2 days. I think it's because of lack of sleep and not drinking enough water. So I drank like 2 of these, and I also had some coffee, and I had like an egg feta cheese like wrap. So I ate, but I know they're gonna feed us. That's why I want to get there so I can get the breakfast. All right, see you guys when we get there. All right, you guys, I arrived at Google in LA. Walked inside, and I grabbed myself something to eat. I was a little late, but I got there just in time to grab food before they took it away. These breakfast burritos were delicious. They were so good. And I grabbed some coffee and headed inside. But before I headed inside, I had to stop for a quick photo shoot. All right, so super late getting here, but made it. I got a little breakfast, and I'm gonna grab some coffee, and they're getting ready to start this first session. So yeah, this is really cool. I need this coffee bad.
Oh my gosh, 20 years! Can you believe it? I mean, it doesn't look a day over 19, am I right?
Okay, you guys, the first session is over, and we are now headed to lunch, which is this way. And it's outside, y'all. It's so beautiful here. My family, I told them, I was like, look, don't be surprised if I end up in LA. Yeah. Yeah, so we're getting ready to go have lunch outside. I'm glad I chose to wear this jacket, camisole, and pants. I tried on the burgundy pants and it just didn't do anything for me. But Angela Michelle has on a skirt, thank you, that I have at home, and she totally gave me an idea of how to wear it. But y'all don't want to hear about that. Let me show you what's going on out here. So it looks like the Google team gets food trucks, and look at it out here, you guys. I would love to have this as my lunchtime space. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so wonderful. It's so beautiful. It definitely makes you feel happier to be in a place like this. I think I gotta move, y'all. Yeah. So this looks like this is where we're gonna be having lunch, right here. And we're coming up on the food. I had lunch with Michelle and Angela, and we had such a good time chatting over lunch.
Got our little cakes here.
We got cake.
I'm getting mine now.
What flavor are you?
I'm getting mango.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try mango.
Some boy over there told me to get lychee.
Oh.
So I got lychee.
I think I'm gonna do the mango. Either mango or a peach.
Can't go wrong.
Yeah. All right. Afterwards, I walked around a little bit to see some of the booths and some of the products. I can't wait to share some of these things with you. We did get a few items in our gift bags, and I just thought they make really, really good gifts. I also had a chance to get some headshots made. I'm going to be uploading those to my YouTube channel and across my social platforms. So I think they came out really nice. Guys, say hi to Carrie.
Hello, beautiful people.
This jacket.
I'm still waiting on my jacket.
Oh,
Okay.
you remember?
So let me tell you about. Let me fix my hair before I talk crap
I
about
thought you was
people.
gonna forget about the jacket.
No, it's clothes. I never forget. Okay. Let me tell y'all about y'all friend.
Then we'll make sure that we get her.
She has the jacket that looks like the Gandhi jacket since earlier this year. I put in my order. I even told her I'll pay for it. She says no, she's gonna make me one. I've yet to receive it. Okay? So when y'all see her missing from the channel, Carrie took her. Abduction.
And she got me in a back room sewing a jacket.
Daylight. In my garage making my jacket. She won't come out until she's done.
I'm gonna get you that jacket. I thought she forgot. I was like, she's got so many other things. One of the highlights was getting my color match by Fenty. So I just ran out of my foundation when I did my makeup for this trip. And I was thinking about running to Sephora, but I was like, you know what? I'm kind of ready to try something else. I do think it's important to change up the makeup every now and again. So we're going to be headed over to Sephora once we get back to Chicago, and I'm going to pick up the color match foundation that they selected for me. This is it right here?
Yes, that is the one.
This is the Fenty hot chocolate. That's what I'm wearing, and it is fabulous.
And it looks fabulous.
Check that out, you guys. Go look for this. You will not regret. Thanks. All right. We are headed to some place. I'm not really sure, but it's beautiful in here. Many of the products you're seeing in the video I'm going to be trying out over the next few weeks and giving you my honest review. They gifted us quite a bit, and I am kind of ready to switch things up, especially now that we're in the fall. So there's some new products that I want to use, and I'm also looking for different things that I can give to friends. Guys, I was invited to the YouTube holiday house here in Los Angeles. I'm going to share with you a few of the items that they have for us to share. So come on, let's go. This is the Uniqlo sweater. I really like it, y'all. It feels so soft. Let me try it on in green. Trying it on in all the colors for you guys. I love a good sweater, and you guys know I don't thrift a lot of sweaters. I like the gray too. Okay, we have one more. We're gonna try the chocolate on. We love it. Another color of the season. This is good. So I've tried them all on. Another one. This one in blue. I didn't see the navy blue, so I gotta try this one on. All right, now for navy blue. Or maybe we just do one side in. Yeah. How about that? Very, very cute. And then there's one more. Let's try the last one on in cream. It's really nice. So this one's gonna be super oversized. All right, you guys. See ya. Here are two quick little shorts of some of the favorite items that I found while I was there. If you're like me, if you work away from home, if you travel for work, if you are running into issues where your phone is dying, you need to plug in, and you like gadgets, then this is for you. And I'm sharing this specifically because this is stuff that I want for me that I would use any day. So I just pulled up Anchor power bank for laptops. I am going to put this on my wish list. You guys, you can plug in your laptop and get charged. I don't know how many times I'm out and I cannot find an outlet. I might be in the airport and can't find an outlet or what have you. This right here, this is a game changer. It's got a USB, it's got a C port, it's got all the connections, and this pulls out. And this tells you how much life you have left on the battery. Okay, this is by Anchor. Check it out. I'm going to link it below. I don't know how much it is, but however much it is, this is something that I absolutely need in my life. This is the Magic Go wireless charging station 3-in-1 dock stand. So that means that you can charge your phone, charge your iPod, your earpods, and charge your watch all in the same station, and it's wireless. So like the one that I have, obviously it has a cord to it. This one does not, and it's so much more sleek. Look at that. Charger 3-in-1. So this one actually plugs into the wall. It has a USB and 3 C ports in there. I don't know about y'all, but I swear this is super useful to me, especially as much as I travel and just needing to have connectivity. And so I need as many kind of chargers as possible. So this is the third and the last piece. I will link all of these below. They make great gifts, but they also make a great gift for yourself. All right. I finally had a chance to dig into this little cake, and I thought it was more like ice cream, but it was really kind of creamy. It was cold, and I don't know what it reminded me of. It was kind of like a cross between yogurt and cake, but it was really, really good. I've linked it below just in case you live in LA and you can go by and check it out. Afterwards, we grabbed an early dinner and sat around and chit-chatted. Boho Guru. This is Alexis, Boho Guru. And, yep, it's Jordan, Little Miss JB Style, which I see you all the time. And this is It's Courtney. Hey, hey girl, hey.
Wait, I didn't know you. That's how you do that. I just learned something.
Raggedy Royale. Okay, that's over there. Say hey. The best part of these events is sitting around with other creators and sharing thoughts with them, exchanging ideas, learning. I learn so much when I go to these events, and it's super helpful. It's a little overwhelming because I'm trying to kind of digest everything, but it's good. And I would like to do this more, but you know, I think 2 or 3 times a year is really good, and I look forward to attending the next one. So here's a quick shot of my OOTD, and then Michelle and I were just kind of goofing around afterwards, and then I headed home. It's a fun thing. It changes colors, y'all. Like for what? Just for fun. Because Google's just a fun place. And that's all she wrote. Holiday House is now a wrap. It was fun, and I cannot wait to share these products with you guys. We got some amazing things that we can use for upcycling, sewing, beauty, all that good stuff. Hey y'all, good morning from LA. Oh, y'all, it's so beautiful here. I could just stay. Like, why would anybody want to live anywhere else other than here? I just got a pecan crunch oat milk latte, and I got a little breakfast sandwich, and they actually gave me some truffle sauce to go with my spinach feta wrap. I'm sorry it's shaky. Y'all haven't been seeing shaky videos lately because I've been using what I'm supposed to be using. Anyway, I got so much stuff yesterday from the YouTube event that I ended up having to ship some stuff back. So I just left UPS. This is good. I see why they call it crunch. All right, got to get on another work call. I've been on work calls all day. Good morning, y'all. I had to get up super early. Anyway, I'm headed to the lounge. They don't open till 6. It's like 5:45, but I'm like... As I was saying before my phone so rudely interrupted me, I'm headed to the lounge. My flight is at 7. The lounge doesn't open till 6. And they start boarding at 6:25, so I'm just gonna grab some coffee, something to eat, and then walk right back over to my gate. So anyway, headed home. Didn't get to do any thrifting because I had no room. I had no room in my luggage was 47 pounds. I'm sure I could have taken up those last 3. So anyway. See y'all when we get back to Chicago.